our new brokerage, RE/MAX Garden City, UPHouse Realty. A true gem.
What I love about this place,
And one of the best kept secrets,
a really great property,
have it all community.
the most popular neighborhood.
This community is special and it has it all.
This has the best parks, the best paths, the best trails, the best playgrounds, and the best school.
Quintessential North End in what is the coolest and up-and-coming neighborhoods we have in all of Niagara.
This is where you want to be.
That's spicy.